What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Robert's Hollow Farms here. Heard my brother pulling up. We realized we didn't have a very good introduction in our first video. You gotta give us a little credit. That's our first video on YouTube. We're learning. We're trying to get there. But I'm
Absolutely. We're
Brett,
definitely trying to get better. And I'm Scott.
and we're just gonna do what we do and kind of be ourselves with this channel here. So, to get started in this video, we're gonna put a little fertilize on Scott's wheat field over there. I'm gonna feed some cattle. And we're in October, so there'll be quite a bit of feeding before anything exciting happens. So I'll probably do a little feeding, show you guys that, let you see where the pastures are at, where we have cattle, all that jazz. He's going to fertilize. We'll show you some of that. And then we're going to probably skip ahead to wheat harvest, and there will be some wheat harvest in this video. So that's exciting stuff. Make sure you stick around for that. All right, so you're going to start fertilizing, correct? And I'm going to feed some cattle.
Yeah. Well, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wash up this tractor because I got it dirty as could be. Finishing planting the wheat field in the rain. So,
Well, you're on your own. That's your own fault.
yeah, I know. It was bad.
But
That was
the
my
what I
mix
would
up.
use if I was you, we got that 4840 in the barn up there by the hay baler and hay rake.
Uh-huh.
I would fertilize with that guy.
You don't mind me using your tractor?
I guess.
I know. I know.
Well, he's gonna
I'll
get
be.
this 8400 washed up and this drill and put back in the barn. I'm gonna start feeding some hay here. Show you guys where the pastures are at. Put some bales out. Show you the hay shed. You ain't been down there yet. Spread some fertilizer, and then we'll probably bring you guys back when we dig into the wheat harvest. Oh, hey, I forgot.
Yep.
We have to show you all this. So, off camera, we did deliver some cows to this pasture. I need to feed these guys and get my trailer put up. But we're starting small over here. There's only 10 calves in this field, and we bought them at 6 months. So we're going to feed them out. We might sell at 6 months just to get a little money, or 12 months to get a little money back, or we might feed them all the way out and get some calves off of them. I don't know. We don't know yet. It's undecided. But we have to feed them. We do know that. So I'm going to feed some hay. He's going to fertilize. All that good stuff. We have a bunch of random bale sizes in this barn. But we want to stick with the 4,500 liters. So I'm going to get rid of some of the bales we don't want. Like that one. And that one. And if you remember, we sold all of the calves that were 11 months old out of our pasture by the house there. So we don't have to feed there. There's nothing in that lot. We've got 40 head here. I'm going to feed them. Feed the 10 that are on Scott's side of the road.
Appreciate that, by the way.
I'll take care of you. I try my best.
Well, I mean, you specialize in the cattle. I specialize in grain.
Yeah, I'll let y'all in on a little secret. He has always hated cattle on farm sim.
Absolutely.
He just thinks
I
there's not
mean,
enough money in it. He don't like all the front loader work. And that's part of it.
yeah, I'm
But
not good at it.
we both always loved grain farming, so we're growing that on this farm too.
Yeah.
we're bringing you guys back in because I just made a purchase, and my brother is driving my truck and trailer to get it against my better judgment.
Hope you've
But
got good insurance.
I'm going to need it with you when you don't have your wheel out for your Xbox and you're playing on controller.
Yeah, no kidding. I'm not the best driver. I'm just going to go ahead and say it.
But and you will learn that as you watch this channel. You will learn who the better driver on this game is. But we've got the 8400. It's got 300 horse. That's my brother's tractor. That's our biggest tractor on the farm. And we're trying to get further into grain. So we're going to need some heavy hitters. We're going to need something to pull that big drill, pull a big disc, put a ripper in the ground, do whatever with. We're going to need some heavy hitters. So, as you can tell, while our money has went down a little bit, put a pretty good down payment on this, borrowed some more money. We're about 500,000 in the hole probably, but I bought an 8345R. This is a 2009 model tractor. She's a little old, but it's got 345 horse. That makes it our biggest rig on the farm right now.
Coming around with the head.
Alright, come on, William. Keep coming, keep coming. 2 more foot. A little bit more. A little more. Alright, hold up. Alright, go ahead, I got it. Should be good.
Good deal.
Alright, I'm gonna get fired up on this wheat field if you're good to
Yeah, I'll get the
get everything
semi
else
and everything
lined
out. Yep. Do you really trust me with your tractor?
I guess I have a choice.
Not if you want a grain car driver, you don't.
And I do.
I mean, I'm bad, but I'm not like that bad. Am I?
Oh, he's bad. Y'all are gonna see. And I'm not sure if you all want to sit here, hear our corny jokes and random talk while we harvest an entire field or not. So probably gonna cut y'all out. We're gonna harvest a little bit. We can bring you back in every so often, but all right. I just split this field in half. Headed back the other way if I can get you a grain cart up here to unload into.
Headed your way.
Alright guys, we're back. Ran some more wheat. Got another hopper full with the combine. Gonna get this taken to the bin site. Probably got a quarter of the field done. A little more. Quite a bit more to go actually. We said we started with a small operation. This is actually a pretty decent sized field, so it's gonna take us a minute.
Bigger than expected.
Absolutely. So anyway, enjoy the combine running some wheat, dumping into this grain cart over here. Always waiting on the grain cart, right? Alright guys, we have our last bit of wheat going into the grain bin here. Got our harvest finished up. Gonna get this into the bin, and that is probably going to be a wrap for this episode. We ended up harvesting, where is it? 129,000 liters of wheat out of that little field.
Wow.
Yep,
That was a lot bigger than expected.
Well, we're gonna get everything washed up, put back in the barn. That's probably it for this episode for us. I guess next thing you'll see from us is doing some tillage on that field. Might be working some cows pretty soon. And that's probably about it because it's July. We might
We need
once
to
we
get a
get
cut
this
in
wheat
on a hay
sowed,
field.
yes, we actually need to. Hay will be one of the next things you'll see from us is mowing and baling hay. We've got cattle to work, tillage to do on the wheat field. We've got hay to mow. We've got a lot coming up. A lot to keep you all interested. Y'all keep up with us, and again, we appreciate you watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, give us a comment, tell us what you want to see, what you liked, what you didn't like. We are here to create content for you all. We just enjoy playing farm sim, so let us know what you want to see. Thank you all for watching. Scott, you got anything to add?
No, you covered it all. Thank you all.
Alrighty.